I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade ice cream, step by step. First, let's gather our core ingredients. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and about 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need your chosen flavorings, like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been in the freezer for at least 24 hours to ensure optimal chilling for the best results. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Carefully pour your prepared and chilled ice cream base into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, the mixture will gradually thicken and incorporate air, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. This crucial step is what gives homemade ice cream its signature smooth and creamy texture. Once your ice cream reaches that lovely soft-serve stage, it's the perfect moment to add your chosen flavorings. Whether it's a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, or a 1/2 cup of fruit puree, mix it in during the last 5 minutes of churning. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to harden completely. Congratulations, you've made homemade ice cream. Before serving, let your container sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief softening period makes it much easier to scoop. Now, dish out generous portions into bowls or cones. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like sprinkles, chocolate sauce, or fresh fruit. Savor the incredibly rich and creamy taste of your very own personalized frozen treat. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.